and I say "and" too much, so there's that. Okay, I actually locked myself out of my house one time and tried to use this to open the door, so it's a little ruined, but it's fine. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Hayley. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, which I know you are, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I'm just gonna do a little chit-chatty what's in my bag video. These are pretty original to YouTube, and I just feel like you guys will get to know me better if you know what's in my bag. It's a little personal, but it's fine. I'm going for it. I think I did this in high school when I had my channel. I'm gonna do a whole luxury handbag collection, so stay tuned for that video coming up in the next couple weeks. This is the this is my Faye Backpack. I love it. So it comes with a crossbody strap, but I took it off and I just wear the backpack. Weird fact about me, wearing backpacks is really comforting to me for some reason. I don't know. I've had this since 2018, so it's been worn a lot. It's one of my favorite bags. And then it just pops open like this. And then my bag. The bigger the bag I carry, the more stuff I throw in there, the more stuff I don't need. So I like to keep my bag relatively small so that I'm not like packing it full of things. In here, let's see, there's like a little front pocket here. In there I have $1 and I have 50 cents. That's going in my change jar. All right, so that's all I have in there. And then in this zipper back here, I just keep all of like the authentication materials. I always keep those with my bags. Just, I don't know why. First thing I have in here is my Flatter Me. Can you see that? My Flatter Me vitamins. It says supports a flatter stomach and healthy digestion. I take these. You're supposed to take them before your 2 major meals of the day. I really like I take their vitamins. I have like a whole regimen of vitamins that I take. If you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know. But these are great. They keep my stomach super flat and keep my digestion moving, which is always good. So I always carry these with me. And then I just have my keys. In here I just have my credit cards and my debit cards and my insurance cards, and then my keys to my car and my house, my parents' house. I don't know. Keys, lots of keys. It's very heavy. Next I have my favorite pair of sunglasses. These are my Ray-Bans. I believe these are called the General Ray-Bans. They are, oh my gosh, they're so dirty. Hold on, let me clean them. These are my favorite sunglasses, I would say. They're just like little aviator. Love these. I've had these since like 2017. I honestly love these so much. I'm so weird with my bags. I know, it's the same with my clothes. I'm afraid of stains. I don't like to carry a whole lot of loose things around in my bag that could potentially like ruin the bag. So I carry a little clutch inside my bags. This goes with me everywhere. So that way too, when I'm transitioning purses, it's easier for me to just take this and put it in another purse. And this holds all my important stuff. And this like doubles as a clutch too, so I can like take it for a night out if I need to. In my little clutch, I have the Replica Beach Walk perfume. I love beachy scented things. Replica Beach Walk is one of my favorite scents. I also love the Free People beach scent. That is in my favorites video. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it after this. The beach scent is actually very aromatherapeutic, so I will keep it in my bag year round and then just smell it if I need a little pick-me-up during the day. Next I have my favorite. It's the Super Goop Glow Screen Sunscreen in a little travel size. And I wear Super Goop every day. I have the normal version and then I have this. If I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll just put this on and reapply it throughout the day, and I love it. It makes me glowy. I have a tampon, all cotton, like organic, pure cotton tampon. I'm so weird about organic things. I don't This is gonna sound so weird. I don't wear regular deodorant. I always wear natural deodorant. And if I can't find a natural deodorant that works for me, I just don't wear it. I know it's gross, but there's so many chemicals in them and they scare me. So I also use organic tampons. I also have pepper spray. So this is actually supposed to go on my keys, but I haven't put it on there yet. But I have pepper spray because my dad always gives me this stuff. He wants me to be safe, which I am. I have a Home Depot receipt. Oh, we bought a ceiling fan and a Coke. That's fun. I know I just said all this stuff about having organic tampons and organic deodorant, but I love a soda. It makes me so happy. That's like my one vice. I have my Cosmoprof card in here. For those of you who don't know, I am a licensed cosmetologist. I'm a freelance hairstylist and a makeup artist, so I carry this with me. And then I have my license in here. Oh no, actually, that's my license with my old last name. I just got married in July. I have some gift cards, my Sephora VIB card. I have a Starbucks card. Starbucks is also my other vice. I love Starbucks. My order is a venti black tea lemonade sweetened with light ice. That's what I always get. I'm not a big coffee drinker. I have another Home Depot receipt. Oh, this is the receipt for the flooring that we did. Huh, yeah. My husband has been doing a lot of home improvements. And then I just have a card from when, like my ID card from when I was in college in there, just in case. I mean, I kind of look the same, so sometimes I can get away with getting a student discount. I have this hand cream. This is the Tocca Cleopatra little mini hand cream. And my hands are always dry, so love a good hand cream. I have the Glossier Clear Lip Gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. I also have the Dior Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. This is in the shade, oh my gosh, this font is so small, 001. I'm almost out of this stuff. I like this stuff too. I like lip glosses, apparently. I forget I have them in here, honestly. And then I have the Marc Jacobs Enamored Lip Gloss in Moonglow. I like this too. I like a natural, like, glossy lip. I have 2 mints, some more spare change, and some bobby pins because I'm a hairstylist. Always gotta walk around with bobby pins. You never know who needs one. That is everything that's in my bag. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you've made it this far, comment down below and tell me what is one thing that you carry in your bag that you cannot live without, that you cannot leave the house without, besides your keys and all the necessary stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye. Don't want to keep you guys from your busy schedules.